What does it take to be a great discipler? Be a staff. Let's talk about character. What is a staff? Bilang isang discipler, dapat tayo ay staff. Meaning dapat tayo ay strong, teachable, attentive, firm, at faithful. Ang isang disciple dapat strong. At saan manggagaling ang ating lakas? Solely from God. Bawal ang balat sibuyas, huwag na masyadong sensitive at tampuhin. At isa pa, tayong mga disciples, we should discipline ourselves to fix our eyes to Him alone. Next is teachable, meaning you are capable of being instructed, but also willing to learn. Being teachable is admitting you don't know something and allowing others to show or teach you. Ang pag-admit na tayo ay natuto doesn't detract from who you are or your leadership authority. Pinapakita lang natin na we are humble enough to learn something new. Next, as a disciple, we should be attentive. Being attentive reduces the sign of misunderstanding. When we actively listen to others, they will feel more comfortable opening up to us. Thus, being attentive is also showing respect and our enthusiasm to serve. Siguraduhin susunod sa instructions and magawa natin kung anuman ang kinumit natin. Tandaan, hindi ka sa tao nag-commit. We say yes to God. As a disciple, we also have to be firm. If you describe someone as firm, you mean they behave in a way that show they are not going to change their mind, or that they are the person who is in control. And last but not the least, faithful. Faithful simply means full of faith. It means acting out our faith so that others can see our faithfulness. The beautiful part of this action is that it is the Lord working in us and through us. God will make it happen, for He who calls you is faithful. 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 24.